Welcome to Silk Builders, an award-winning family-owned business with over 30 years of experience in the heart of the Noosa area. Looking for builders you can trust? Look no further. At Silk Builders, we specialise in knockdowns and rebuilds, new homes, renovations and extensions. Our excellence has been recognised with multiple awards in these categories. We work for you because we're passionate about what we do and are proud to see our professional work become your dream. We're here for you from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. Reach out to us during these hours and we'll be ready to assist. Contact us easily via phone or email. Our dedicated team will respond promptly to schedule an appointment that suits your needs. Based in the beautiful Noosa area, we proudly serve the Noosa and Sunshine Coast region.